It's 27 degrees out here in Kodiak, Alaska. That's -3 degrees Celsius, which should tell you I love you because I'm standing out here where it's really cold. But I gotta ask you, do you think there's a possibility there's something growing in these raised beds? Well, come with me and we'll find out. But first, we have a little bit of work to do. Here we go. Okay, that was a good workout. Next step. Okay, are you ready? Let's see what's waiting inside. Well, hey, it's a forest. It's a little forest of spinach. Oh, I'm so pleased. We've had such cold evenings here, but boy, and the soil, after all this, the soil is fluffy. See? Look at that. It's amazing. Oh, you want to know how this spinach is hanging on so well, doing so well? Well, here's the thing. I sowed these spinach seeds in early September, and now it's the middle of December. We're coming up on the longest night or the shortest day of the year here in Kodiak, Alaska. So here's the thing, is you sow the seeds in September for our latitude, and there's even a worm. And then the seedlings grow about like what you see here, and they establish really strong roots. But come around October, around October 20th or so, the day length drops below 10 hours. And at that point, plant growth basically stalls, like suspended animation. It just slows to a crawl. And then it resumes again February 20th or so. Meanwhile, the plants can even shrivel down and look like they're dead, but the fact that they have really strong roots keeps them going through the winter. And then in February and March, they start growing again, and we can actually harvest spinach for about 3 solid months until early June or so before it bolts. And that is really, really cool because usually spinach will start to bolt after 2 or 3 weeks, when you start them or grow them in the summer. So I am so excited, and I'm really excited that you're here with me to share in my joy. So keep your hands in the dirt and your eyes on the stars. Have a great day. Cheers.